Welcome back to English Education. Today's topic is idioms or some important phrases. So let's begin. A bed of roses. सरल और आरामदायक स्थिति. Example: The post of the principal is not bed of roses. To add insult to injury. जले पर नमक डालना. Rajni has added insult to injury by writing this letter. To add fuel to the fire. और ज़्यादा भड़काना. Your abusive language will add fuel to the fire. An apple of one's eye. आँखों का तारा. My only son is the apple of my eye. An apple of discord. झगड़े की जड़. Kashmir is an apple of discord between India and Pakistan. At one's fingers' ends. पूरा ज्ञान. I have all the facts of this case at my fingers' ends. At an arm's length. खतरे या बुराई को दूर करना. Vandana keeps Rosie at an arm's length. At loggerheads. दुश्मनी की अवस्था. She is at loggerheads with her own brother. At a loss. घबरा जाना. Am at a loss to explain what happened. Against the rainy day. मुश्किल समय के लिए प्रबंध. We must save something every month against the rainy day. At daggers drawn. आपसी दुश्मनी. India and Pakistan are at daggers down. To be in good books of. कृपया पात्र होना. I am in good books of my officers. To be in bad books of. कृपया पात्र ना होना. He is in bad books of his officers. By leaps and bounds. बहुत तेजी से. With the help of technology, human is progressing by leaps and bounds. To bury the hatchet. पुरानी दुश्मनी को भुला देना. You should now bury the hatchet forever and live like friends. Bag and baggage. सभी सामान के साथ. He has left the Jalandhar bag and baggage. Bosom friend. पक्का दोस्त. Sham is my bosom friend. To bear the palm. जीत जाना. Our team will bear the palm in the final match. An axe to grind. मतलब निकालना. Rajni flatters you so much. Perhaps she has some axe to grind. To beat about the bush. गोलमोल बात करना. Don't beat about the bush and come to the point.